Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com application. Then you need to simply log in into your account. So once you have done that, tap on the option of accounts here in the bottom. After that, among the given options, simply select crypto. So once you do this, you will be landed here in your crypto wallet where you will be able to see your total balance here on the top. So you need to tap on the option of transfer, then tap on the option of withdraw. Now since we want to transfer our crypto to the Tangem wallet, simply select the option of external wallet. Over here you need to add the wallet address. For that you need to tap on this plus icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that select the option of wallet address. Now it is going to give you all of the cryptocurrencies that are available on crypto.com. So among these cryptocurrencies, you need to select that particular crypto which you want to basically send from your crypto.com account to the Tangem wallet. So let's say you want to transfer Solana. After selecting Solana, make sure that the network that is selected is Solana, because for the Solana coin, the Solana network would be reasonable. So here you need to provide the wallet address from the Tangem wallet. In order to get it, you need to launch your Tangem wallet. Then you need to search for Solana or the cryptocurrency that you want to basically send from your crypto.com account. After that, tap on the option of receive and copy the address from there and paste it over here in your crypto.com account. Then in the wallet name, simply add the Tangem wallet as your wallet name. Once you fill out these details, press the continue button here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to review each and every detail that is mentioned. You need to make sure that the network is correct, that the address is correct. Once everything is good, simply confirm the transaction. After the successful confirmation of your transaction from crypto.com, you are going to get your crypto in Tangem wallet within 5 to 10 minutes. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.